Oh soldiers, I don't have words to thank you. It's a selfless love towards our nation that makes you offer the supreme sacrifice for us. It's your bravery, courage, best skills, perfection, and excellence that makes you special and eligible to serve our motherland. Namaste and good morning. I, Shubham Shah, on behalf of TGSW, Grade 4, welcome you all to the morning assembly. Today is 27th September 2021 and the day is Monday. ગુજરાતી તિથિ અનુસાર આજે ભાદરવા વદ છઠ છે. I invite the music team to lead us with the prayers.
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. प्रकृत्या सुरम्यं विशालं प्रकामं सरित्तारहारे ललालं निकामं हिमाद्रि ललाटे पदे चैव सिन्धु प्रियं भारतं सर्वथा दर्शनीयं प्रियं भारतं सर्वथा दर्शनीयम्. धनानां निधानं धरायां प्रधानम् इदं भारतं देवलोकेन तुल्यं. यशो यस्य शुभ्रं विदेशेषु गीतं प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा पूजनीयं प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा पूजनीयम्. अनेके प्रदेशा अनेके च वेशा अनेकानि रूपाणि भाषा अनेका परं यत्र सर्वे वयं भारतीया प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा रक्षणीयं प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा रक्षणीयम्. यत्र युद्धेषु वीरा शरीरार्पणेनापि रक्षन्ति देशं स्वधर्मानुरक्ता सुशीलाश्च नार्यः प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा श्लाघनीयं प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा श्लाघनीयम् वयं भारतीया स्वभूमिं नमाम परं धर्ममेकं सदा मानयाम यदर्थं धनं जीवनं चार्पयाम प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा वन्दनीयं प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा वन्दनीयम् प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा वन्दनीयम्.
It is rightly said, a true soldier fights not because he hates what is in front of him, but because he loves what is behind him. Soldiers sacrifice everything for us and our country. They leave their family, friends, home, and all their comfort for securing our comfort. Remembering their supreme sacrifice and understanding their emotions and feelings, today's assembly is an attempt to be thankful and grateful for everything they do for us. Let's begin our today's assembly by welcoming Darshini and Prisha to recite their poems.
Salute. For us, they're on the borders, who can't break any orders. They're always ready to sacrifice, who are as hard as the Himalayan ice. Salute to the Indian soldiers. Because of them, we are alive and secure in the Indian hive. Who are always looking for command, who are only one brand. Salute to the Indian soldiers. They fight in the battle without any fear. There is no security of the future year. They don't know the difference of day and night, who are always ready to fight. Salute to the Indian soldiers. They celebrate their festivals with bullets and guns. We play Holi with colors, while they play with rifles and guns. They know only one color, which is blood red. Salute to the Indian soldiers. We complain for the hot and cold day, while they stay in the harsh Siachen every day. They are never assured of their own life. They don't know will they ever meet their daughter, son and wife. Salute to the Indian soldiers.
Today I'm going to recite a poem called The Soldier's Poem. For all the free people that still protest, you are welcome. We protect you and you are protected by the best. Your voice is strong and loud, but who will fight for you? No one standing in your crowd. We are your fathers, brothers and sons, wearing boots and carrying guns. We are the ones who leave all we own to make sure your future is carved in stone. We are the ones who fight and die. We might not be able to save the world. Well, at least we try. We walk the path to where we are at, and we want no choice other than that. So when you rally a group to complain, take a look back in your brain. In order for the flag you love to fly, wars must be fought and young men must die. We fight for the ones we hold dear for. So please stop yelling, put down your signs and pray for those behind enemy lines. And if that's not respected, we would rather stay here. And when the conflict is over and all is well, be thankful that we choose to go through hell.
Thank you, Darshanil and Prisha. Let's welcome Deven and Joyvin to ignite the flames of patriotism within us with their powerful performances.
जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे
Soldiers. The soldier is a fighter. He fights for his country and people. The soldier may be in army, navy or air force. He is well trained. He is healthy and strong. The soldier is always ready to defend his country and to die for it. Therefore, the soldier is an important person in society. The soldier must be ready to overcome any difficulty. He should be not scared of anything. It happens when sometimes a soldier gets wounded or may even die. His task is very difficult. He needs to wake up early in the morning and begin his day with lots of exercise. A soldier is well trained in uses of weapons. We must respect our soldiers and encourage them. We must be very proud of our soldiers.
Let's put our hands together for Devin and Jaivan's zestful performances. Be ready to board the train of nostalgia. Coming up next is a performer who will take us on a journey through our recent history, while we remember the sacrifice of our brave Indian soldiers. Now let's hear an interesting poem by Om.
If I stood by the tomb of the unknown soldier, I would say, sleep well today, O unknown soldier. All the nations this sacred act, deep honor you will pay. We know not who you are or how you went to meet this hour, but we know you did not pale or falter. We know you did not cower, here in your solitary grandeur. You sleep this memorial day. You cannot hear our elegies, the words of praise we say. The deepest honor a man can have is yours eternally, not for conquest, but for principle. To your death, you crossed the sea. Under November's cold, dark skies, may your slumber be long and sweet. Thank you.
Thank you, Om, for your wonderful performances. Next, let's welcome Julian and Shreya for their performances.
I just want to thank you for all the things you do, for all your sacrifices and all that you go through, for wanting to serve others, for giving all your best, for making such commitments no matter what the test, for always showing courage and never being weak, showing strength in troubled times when freedom is what we seek, for being an inspiration no matter where you trod, for striving to keep this nation one nation under God.
ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी सराया करो कुर्बानी ठंडे से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम दिन ये घर सुना सुना है मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही माँ तुझे सलाम हाँ तुझे सलाम
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं टिंग 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 थोड़ी सी दूर मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की थोड़ी सी खुशबू बराई सी मस्त भवन की थोड़ी सी धोखने वाली धक 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 सांसें जिनमें हो जुनून वो बंदे लाल लहू की ये सब तू मिला मिला ले फिर रंग तो खिला खिला ले और मोहित रंग ते बसंती यारा मोहित रंग ते बसंती
Thank you, Chilin and Shia, for such amazing performances. Expressing the idea of patriotism, let us welcome Aditya and Siddharth for their performances.
I am a soldier, written by Dinah Haddon. I am a soldier, my heart is in the land. I fight for life and freedom as I walk upon the sand. I do not walk on worry, I will not stand alone. The angels travel with me. I fight for land and home. I am a soldier, a daddy and a friend, a comrade and a brother, a warrior till the end. I do not walk unknowing the risk upon the way, for God travels with me each and every day.
मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी जिद से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा
चिंगारी जिद से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी जिद से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया तन के मौत नू वाचा मारे वे थर थर कंबदे सारे छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया तन के मौत नू वाचा मारे वे थर थर कंबदे सारे
Let's give a round of applause for Aditya and Siddharth. Now hold your breath for the upcoming performances. Let us welcome Arya to share the movie review of Sher Shah and Rucha to recite an engrossing poem.
Sher Shah, an inspiring war drama of brave hearts and victories. Sher Shah is a Hindi movie released on 12 August 2021, just a couple of days before Indian Independence Day. Sher Shah is the biopic of a brave Indian soldier, Vikram Batra, who laid down his life during the Kargil War. This story is a real story of Kargil War of Indian Pak in 1999. This war between India and Pakistan at Kargil area of Jammu and Kashmir. The Kargil conflict was the toughest mountain warfare ever, fought at dizing altitude of 17,000 feet. This historic war had a lot at stake. This movie shows how Indian Army fought bravely against Pakistan and suffered a heavy loss of more than 500 brave Indian Army soldiers, including Major Vikram Batra, whose indomitable spirit and unparalleled courage contributed immensely to India's victory. Sher Shah's biggest victory is its effort to recreate one of the most important chapters of our recent history. Sher Shah ranks higher than the other war dramas and shows an inspiring story that needs to be told to the young blood of our country.
This poem is written by Elgina Goodwin. A soldier's life. There is discipline in a soldier. You can see it when he walks. There is honor in a soldier. You can hear it when he talks. There is courage in a soldier. You can see it in his eyes. There is loyalty in a soldier that he will not compromise. There is something in every soldier that makes him stand apart. There is strength in a soldier that beats from his heart. A soldier isn't a title any man can have two, but a soldier is a soul buried deep inside you. A soldier is always a soldier, even while he goes to sleep. Soldier serves our country first and his life is left behind. If you are a civilian, I am saying this to you. Next time you see a soldier, remember what they do. If you are a soldier, I am saying this to you. Thank God for every soldier Thank God for what you do. Jai Hind!
Thank you, Aryo and Rucha, for your wonderful performances. With the same idea to stretch our thinking further on this topic, here comes Risha ma'am with today's point to Socho.
With the evolution of humans from apes, the muscles have shrunk and the brain has increased in size and potential. Just like this transition of body's energy from biceps to neurons. Imagine living in a country that diverts its budget from the defense to its education system. How do you think would this transition from birth to cur affect a nation's peace, people, and most importantly, the army that relentlessly works to protect us in war and in calamities? Zara socho.
Oh, fellow Indians, we are lucky and blessed that we have the Indian Army. I love the Indian military so much. I am proud of my armed forces. Thank you for protecting us. Thank you for sacrificing everything for us. You are the saviors of Bharat Mata. Thanks for being with us and protecting us in every situation. Thank you, Indian military. We are thankful to you all for being a wonderful audience. We hope we were able to brighten your day.
We are very thankful to our teachers, parents, ICT team, music team, and other students who helped make this assembly successful. Please rise for the national anthem.
वतन मेरे नाज है तेरा, हर कदम वतन मेरे नाज है तेरा। आजाद मैं हूँ और वतन आजाद है मेरा, आजाद मैं हूँ और वतन आजाद है मेरा। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। सरफरोशी को चले हैं बांध के कफन, दुश्मनों को करने उनकी मिट्टी में दफन। अब जो हमारी तरफ बढ़े कोई कदम, इतिहास से मिटा देंगे बुनियाद उनकी हम। मर के भी मिटने न दे, मर के भी मिटने न दे तिरंगे की ये शान।
हिंदुस्ता तेरे लिए दे देंगे अपनी जान।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, सुजलाम सुफलाम मातरम, वंदे मातरम् भले शीतलां मातरम्